how to make a good airplane. So I'll go get a paper. Let's do it. Okay, so just okay. I didn't can't see because it was like sunny, but in rainy you can see. So you just turn around like this. I know you can't. I know you can't see, so I just do. Okay, I think you can see now. So put your paper here, and you're gonna fold it the other side, but not this time. This one here. Okay, I make it another one and make a good crease. Now you open it and you make a triangle, a big triangle. But not that big. And don't make a crease right here. Don't put this in green and don't put it in here. And it fly like a bird. And now you're gonna get this top edge in that triangle, and you put in one like that triangle. Now you flip it over. I mean no, just a bit more, and you do like that, and make like this. And you make that side. Now you flip it over. Now you do the other side. And that's how you make it. And you forgot to do this. And look, it will fly high. It fly like a bird. So let me go get it. Okay guys, I'm finally done. And it fly falls. It fly like a bird. So bye.